Good morning and welcome to Nyinga TV. According to the information reaching our desk, Israel forces struck an Iranian Supreme Council gathering on Tuesday as the group was meeting to choose a successor to lead the regime after Ayatollah Ali was killed on Saturday, a senior Israeli official tells Fox News. The US and Israel killed 49 of Iran's most senior leaders in the opening stage of the joint operation on Saturday morning, leaving Iran's military fractured and leaderless, whereby the Iran's government officials have said that they will not cease the fire until they have done revenge for Ayatollah Ali, who was killed on Saturday morning. Always stay connected to Nyinga TV. Subscribe for better and greater news daily and all the time.